dividing fraction and a whole number. Copy the dividend, 2 over 5. Then from division, it will become multiplication. Then get the reciprocal of 4, that will be 1 over 4. Then multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. 2 times 1, 2, 5 times 4, 20. Then simplify. They are both divisible by 2, so divide by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, over 20 divided by 2 is 10. So the answer is 1 over. Let's do the shortcut method. 3 over 5 divided by 9. Copy the numerator 3 over the product of the denominator and the whole number. That is 45. Then simplify. They're both divisible by 3, so divide by 3. The final answer will be 1 over 15. Now, let's divide the whole number in a fraction. Let's do the long method. Copy 8, and division will become multiplication. Then get the reciprocal of 1 over 6, that will be 6 over 1. Then multiply the whole number by the numerator. That will be 48 over 1. Or we simply write 48. Now, let's do the shortcut method. Simply multiply the whole number by the denominator. 7 times 11, that will be 77 over the numerator 9. Then simplify. 77 divided by 9, that will be 8 and 5 over 9. Remember, if the answer is an improper fraction, always reduce to mixed number.